Most people get this wrong. They see their credit score drop and immediately assume something is broken. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring the small changes that quietly affect your score over time. In this video, you'll learn the real reasons your credit score drops in 2026 and exactly what you can do to fix it. Let's start with the truth. Your credit score does not drop randomly. It drops because one or more of the key credit factors changed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even small actions can cause noticeable drops, especially if your credit profile is still new. First reason, higher credit utilization. This is one of the most common causes. If you suddenly use more of your credit card limit, your score can drop quickly. For example, Alex usually keeps his usage low, but one month he spends heavily on travel and reaches 60% usage. His score drops, even though he pays everything on time. But here's the problem. Many people think paying after the statement fixes everything immediately. In reality, the balance reported to credit bureaus matters more than what you pay later. Second reason, missed or late payments. Even one late payment can significantly impact your score. For someone like Jake who forgets a due date, this can cause a sudden and sharp drop that takes months to recover from. Third reason, new credit applications. Every time you apply for a loan or credit card, a hard inquiry is added. One inquiry has a small impact, but multiple inquiries in a short time can lower your score more noticeably. In a minute, I'll show you how to apply for credit safely without hurting your score. Fourth reason, closing old accounts. This surprises many people. Closing an old credit card reduces your credit history length and can also increase your utilization ratio. For John, closing his oldest card made his overall credit age drop, which caused an unexpected score decrease. Fifth reason, changes in credit reporting. Sometimes lenders update information late or correct past data. This can temporarily cause your score to move up or down. Now let's talk about what you should actually do. Start by checking your credit report. Look for changes in balances, new accounts, or missed payments. Most drops are easy to trace once you know where to look. Then focus on the basics again. Keep usage low, pay on time, and avoid unnecessary credit applications. But here's where most people fail. They panic and open new accounts trying to fix the score quickly. That usually makes things worse instead of better. Now let's make it simple. A credit score drop is not permanent damage. It is a signal. It tells you what changed in your credit behavior so you can correct it. Let's summarize everything clearly. Credit scores drop in 2026 mainly due to utilization changes, late payments, new credit inquiries, account closures, or reporting updates. The fix is simple awareness and consistent habits. If this helped you understand why your credit score dropped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit guides like this.